Hello, I'm George Carlough, the Global Director for Environmental Health and Safety for Komatsu Mining Corporation. Today I'd like to talk to you about our 9 safety principles and how they apply to each and every one of us. Number 1, all injuries can be prevented. Number 2, no task is so important or schedule so urgent that the job cannot be done safely. Number 3, employee, supplier, and vendor engagement is essential. Number 4, open, honest, and effective communication is a must. Number 5, all of us are responsible for providing a safe and healthy workplace. Number 6, everyone is accountable for their own safety as well as the safety of others. Number 7, we must ensure that our employees, vendors, and suppliers are all competent in the jobs that they perform. Number 8, all operating exposures can be controlled. Number 9, working safely is a condition of employment. Remember, see something, say something.